Hello friends, welcome to another amazing video. In this video I am going to let you know how you can use paint of your window of your PC. So first of all, what I am going to do, I am going to just show you the basic tools of MS Paint. Here is the, sorry, not MS Paint, this is the Windows Paint. So friends, here is the pencil tool, here is the fill with color tool, here is the text tool, here is the eraser tool, and here is the color picker tool, and this is the magnifier. So friends, this is going to be part number 1 of how to use paint. So friends, first of all I want to show you what is this pencil tool. So friends, it is just very simple. You can choose this pencil and you can draw lines like this one. You can write your channel name, your own name, CHA. This is really looking very bad unfortunately, but I just want to show you you can do anything what you want. You can draw your face. So let me erase this one. So you can draw your any cartoon's face like this one, and this is really very simple, and this is called as the pencil tool. So friends, let's suppose I used pencil and now I want to remove this the line I have drawn here. I want to remove this. So what I will do, I will choose the eraser tool, and I can also change its size as well. So but now I am going to just erase this one. You can see I will just first of all select eraser tool, then I will select click on the left click of my mouse. I will hold it and I will just drag where I want and I will remove it. It is really very simple. And let's suppose I want to remove its outer shade, outer line of its eye, and this one as well. So I can do it very easily. It's just simple, nothing hard and fast rule. So friends, the most important thing that is you can also change its size from here as well. Let's suppose you want to change it to this size. You can drag from here as well. You can also adjust it according to your own condition. So it is really very simple. So friends, the second thing that I want to use in front of you is that this is the text tool. So friends, first what I'm going to do, I am going to just delete this one. I pressed Ctrl plus A and then I pressed enter. So friends, now I selected the text tool and I will click here like this one. After selecting text tool, I will click where I want to write. So friends, I want to write here. I will click here and I will write here about my channel. It is really very simple. Okay friends, now you can see I want let's suppose I do not want it here and I want to move it in the top right corner. So I can drag it very simply. So friends, unfortunately my size is too small, so I can drag it from here. You can see, and I want to adjust it first in the center here as well. Then I want to change its size. I will select this one and I will move it to 24, and you can see it is just looking perfect. And I can also move it to the center of the my text. Okay friend, sorry, my files in the center of my this page. Okay friends, now the last thing is that you can also change, sorry, it is okay, you can friends also change let's suppose I want to write here. Now I just wrote some lorem ipsum text that is called as dummy text as well. So I will select it one and I can also change its color as well. It is looking very beautiful. Now you can see I can change its color. I can make it bold, I can make it Italian, I can make it underlined as well. So friends, there are multi tools. When you will use this, you will get an idea how you can use these tools as well. Let's suppose you want to select this one. You can also select and press delete, then this text will remove from this you can see as page. So friends, here is the magnifier. You can also magnify your text as well. You can see when you will press left click, it will it will work as magnifier, and you can also the right click when you want to, you can say as make it small. You can also press left click. Friends, you can also resize the file. You can see here is the pixels file, here is the rectangle file, and there are many options as well. In the next video I will let you know how these brushes works. This is really very important thing to understand. It is really very beautiful feature. You can see you can draw very beautiful pictures, images with the help of this brush tool. So friends, what will I do? I am just going to end up this video, and I will see you in the next video with some amazing tools. Bye bye.